What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today got a quick tool haul. I picked up a battery as well as a charger from Home Depot for Ryobi. I also got some deal information for you, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Alright, so before we get started, please smush the bell notification icon. Please like, comment, and subscribe. So I picked up a charger and a battery today from Home Depot. As well as I have a small deal alert for you guys. So this charger and this particular battery, so this is the P117 30-minute quick charger. The dual chemistry IntelliPort charger. This charger is 30 minutes or less for a 1.3 amp hour, just so you guys know. For like a 4 amp hour, it's like an hour and 20 minutes, something around there. And I picked up the P192 lithium plus HP battery. This is a 4 amp hour. Now, this has the older logo on it, the Lithium Plus HP 18 volt. They started putting this battery in a kit with this charger, same battery, and on here it says 4 amp hour extended capacity Lithium Plus HP high performance enhanced electronics. So the HP stands for high performance. Now, they made a kit where you get this charger and this exact same battery in a clamshell. So the charger is not in a box. It's actually, you can see the charger. It's in a clamshell, and this battery is sitting right next to it. So the charger is sitting like right here. The battery's right here in a giant clamshell just like this. And I'll show you guys real quick. So it's this kit right here, in store. The store I normally go to has 5 of them that I've noticed. They want $129 for both of these in a kit. Now, I asked the cashier, because I took these 2 up and I took this kit up, it doesn't show the clamshell, but I took this kit up that was in the package, and I asked her to ring it up to tell me what it was for the price after tax. So these 2 came up as $118, and the tax was $10, so it was $129.14. So show you guys, it's $129.00 for this kit, which is this battery and this charger in its own packaging as one bundle. So my receipt here shows $39.97 for the charger, $79 for the battery. This battery is usually $89, but they marked it down. So it came out to $118.97 plus $10.17 is $129.14. Now, when I had her check the price of this with tax, it came out for this same battery and this same charger in a bundle, came out to $140 and like 50-something cents. So if you buy the battery and the charger separately, you actually save like 20-something bucks with tax. So I want to let you guys know that there is a massive deal. In a sense, if you want to save almost 20-something bucks, get the battery and the charger separate, because the tax is higher on the kit. So this is, just to give you guys some information on the back, 18 volt lithium ion or NiCad, 120 volt, 60 hertz, 85 watts. Output 18 volt DC. Cord 6 feet. Tool weight 1.5 pounds. There isn't a lot of information on the charger. This battery is, it shows a graph chart up here. So the lithium batteries that I have, which are these guys right here, that are in the 4 amp hour 2-pack kit for 99 bucks. That is this guy right here, Lithium Plus, which is similar to this battery, but this stem is green, is right here. Lithium Plus HP in a non-brushless tool. It shows this third graph, which is this battery. And then the fourth graph, it shows brushless tools used with the Lithium Plus HP, this battery right here. And it shows the green. It's a lot farther out than the, but it's market gimmick. I do have a very old style, the newest style. I always thought these were silver, and they're not. They're actually this dark gray with black. Maybe the Lithium Plus are silver. I don't know. I always thought they were silver. Lithium Plus could be the silver one, and the Lithium Plus HP, they might have made it gray and black. So it's similar to this guy, it's just less black. And then the 4 amp hour emblems on here, not just on the side. But this is a quick tool haul video. Just wanted to show you guys and let you guys know of this deal. By this time the video posts, I don't even know if the deals will even be available. I'm pretty backed up on videos, but I will do a separate video specifically about the deal only, and I'll post it before this ends up getting posted, just so you guys have it available for you guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, the people that like, dislike, people that watch, the people that use the affiliate links, as well as the people that watch the ads every once in a while on the channel. It is to all because of you guys that the channel is monetized, and I want to say very from the bottom of my heart, very much thank you. And we're going to be doing lots of demo and tool testing videos coming up. DeWalt 8 volt, 12 volt, 20 volt, 60 volt flex volt, 120 volt flex volt. Got Makita 7.2 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 18 volt, 36 volt X2, as well as we're going to be bringing the Makita 40 volt and 80 volt tools to the channel as well. Got Metabo 18 volt, got Metabo HPT, aka Hitachi Power Tools, 18 volt and 36 volt multi-volt. We have Bosch 18 volt core. I don't have the 12 volt from Bosch. We got Milwaukee M12 and M18 fuel and brushed tools. We have Earthquake XT 12 volt and 20 volt tools. I have what else? Oh, I also got Bosch Stick 18 volt. Now Ryobi 18 volt as well. Maybe going into the 40 volt Ryobi. I don't know yet. So we're going to be doing lots of tool testing. Hammer drill versus brand versus brand. If any of that interests you, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. If anybody has an older drill impact driver from Ryobi or any tools that they would like to send to me to do demoing on, let me know in the comments. My email is also on the YouTube channel description information. If you guys would like to send tools for the tool testing videos, by all means, I would more than happy, to help you guys and do some videos for you guys. You guys are the reason the channel is monetized. It's all about you guys. And if you don't want to send tools, it's no big deal. All I'm saying is if you guys, maybe upgrade to a newer Ryobi hammer drill or new impact driver or something, and you don't mind sending your older tools for demoing and testing on wood and stuff like that, feel free to contact me. You don't have to do it, but I want to give a more immersive experience for you guys. I don't plan on buying any impact drivers or hammer drills from Ryobi. I've got impact drivers and hammer drills and drill drivers from 7 different companies in about 4 or 5 different voltages. So I don't necessarily need them, but I'm more than willing to take some tools in, do some videos on them, and send them back to you guys. Ain't got no problem sending them back. If you guys want to contribute, let me know. I do appreciate it. Otherwise, keep commenting on the videos and liking the videos, disliking the videos, whatever you guys are doing. And just want to say very much thankful for you guys coming to the channel. I never thought that the channel would go this far. But that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!